Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Kilgone SDL40 robot vacuum. I've looked through the internet, checked reviews, online ratings, and user feedback, and I'm going to break down whether this robot vacuum is actually worth buying or not. Check out the link below for the best price. What makes the Kilgone SDL40 robot vacuum stand out is how much automation it offers for everyday cleaning. Between the self-emptying dock, LiDAR navigation, and anti-tangle brush design, it's built to minimize maintenance while keeping your floors consistently clean. If your goal is to spend less time vacuuming and more time letting the robot do the work, this model makes a strong first impression. Let's start with cleaning performance. The robot delivers up to 6,000 pascals of suction, giving it enough power to pick up dust, pet hair, crumbs, and debris from both hard floors and carpets. In real-world use, that means it can handle everyday messes without struggling when it transitions onto rugs. The built-in mopping function also helps remove light dirt and footprints, making it a practical solution for maintaining clean floors throughout the week. One feature that really stands out is the anti-tangle roller brush. Instead of constantly stopping to cut wrapped hair away from the brush, the design helps reduce hair buildup before it becomes a problem. According to reviews and user discussions, this is especially useful for homes with pets or family members with long hair because it reduces one of the most common maintenance tasks robot vacuum owners deal with. The self-emptying station is another major advantage. After every cleaning session, the robot automatically empties its dustbin into the sealed 2.5-liter dust bag inside the dock. Kilgone says it can hold enough debris for up to 90 days, so you can go weeks without touching the collected dust. That honestly makes a real difference if you're looking for a cleaner that requires very little day-to-day attention. Navigation is equally impressive. The robot uses advanced LiDAR laser mapping to scan your home and create accurate floor plans in just a few minutes. It cleans in organized row-by-row patterns instead of random movements, making the process faster and more efficient. It can also save up to 5 different floor maps, making it a great choice for multi-level homes. Through the companion app, you can create no-go zones, add virtual walls, and schedule room-specific cleaning routines that match your daily routine. Battery life is another strength. With up to 200 minutes of runtime, the robot can clean homes as large as 1,615 square feet on a single charge. If the battery runs low before finishing, it automatically returns to the dock, recharges, and resumes cleaning exactly where it stopped. Based on early impressions, many users appreciate this feature because it allows larger homes to be cleaned without any manual intervention. Smart controls add even more convenience. Using the mobile app, you can start or schedule cleanings, customize cleaning zones, adjust settings, and monitor progress from anywhere. The robot also supports both Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to begin a cleaning session with a simple voice command. Whether you're at home or away, managing the robot is straightforward. Another thoughtful feature is its quiet operation. At around 65 decibels, it's noticeably quieter than many traditional vacuum cleaners, making it easier to run while you're working, watching television, or relaxing at home. It also climbs thresholds up to 18 millimeters, allowing it to transition smoothly between hard floors and thicker rugs without getting stuck. There is one trade-off worth mentioning. While the mopping function works well for regular maintenance and light spills, it isn't designed to replace deep manual scrubbing on heavily stained floors. Like most robot vacuum and mop combinations, it performs best as a daily maintenance cleaner. So would I recommend it? Absolutely. If you're looking for a robot vacuum that combines strong suction, reliable LiDAR navigation, long battery life, and the convenience of a self-emptying dock, the Kilgone SDL40 robot vacuum and mop combo with self-emptying station is an easy recommendation. It delivers the kind of hands-free cleaning experience that busy households and pet owners will really appreciate. Check out the link below for the latest deals and availability, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews coming soon.